What's up, YouTube world? We will pick up where we left off with this stuff, installing it on those. But first, change of plans. I got to get this garage cleaned up because I've let it go. Britt was having a garage sale, not filled it up, and then I have, stuff I'm selling. I had a couple of tailpipes I had to cut up to make more manageable. Like this one here, I had to cut a big muffler off of it. That one there was all one piece. It was like dang near 10 feet long with a Flowmaster on it. Got some 08 through 13 Chevy headlights. Don't need any more. Just posted those for 20 bucks just to get them out of my garage. And this dang thing. So our nieces, their grandma, somehow was talking to Britt about that camper and her painting it. And now somehow Britt is painting that for her, I guess. And I don't know, she likes Britt's painting, and boom, that's been sitting for probably 2.5 weeks. I don't know. I guess we're waiting for her to bring us the paint. She can't decide on a paint color, and ever since it's been brought here, she never brought us a paint color, so I don't know. That's just, it's one of those things that's staying there. We also, this is probably going to be a long video, guys. In our town, we have a car show every year. So that car show, actually, they do like a parade drive around town, and they actually come right by my house. So people come over to my house, and we line up chairs right there, and we watch them all drive by. So maybe I'll film that for you guys, and you can see some sweet hot rods and custom cars and all that good stuff. This is the second year I've not been in it. Usually every year I have a car and I drive in that parade. But last year and this year I haven't had a car to drive in it, so I'm gonna have to do something about that next year. This channel blows up, it's gonna be, I got some ideas, guys. I'm not even gonna say it out loud, but I know y'all are gonna like it. So that being said, let's get to work. I'm talking too much as usual. Let me get this garage cleaned up. Alright, boys, got her set. That took some doing. Got the camper moved, got the grass mowed. I wanted to move that thing before it totally kills that grass. At this point it'll still grow back and turn green. I'll keep it watered. Sits there. I didn't want to park it there because it doesn't look like it, but it's on a really big slant, so it's really sitting crooked. So now that that's done, we're gonna pull the truck up. I think I'm gonna knock that out first, get the regulator in there, all that little stuff. I want to post that first, and then I want to post the Jeep. So, and that actuator, I'm guessing, is gonna take me a little longer. I can get that truck posted tonight. I should have had it posted last night, but I didn't. I got home, finished the video, edited it, and then we took the kids to the zoo and hung out there. Got back, it was dark. I got home, and I'm not gonna lie, that stuff is still there from when I ended my video yesterday. It's in the same spot. Except for that muffler, I cut that off a pipe because I don't need that. I'm just keeping the tailpipe. I added to my collection up here. Telling you guys, you ever need a freaking 5-inch tailpipe? I got it. I got some 5.5-inch up there. I got duals, Flowmaster, 2 cherry bombs, resonators. Jeez, I think I might be a hoarder. Alright, let's get this truck pulled up. Voila, there's that. Let's get the door panel back on. Jeez, I almost forgot. We gotta wire this bad boy in. Let me get this taped up. And there it is, guys. What Brett did to this thing. Looks so good. Got this door panel. Oh, I still gotta put that one in. Not done yet. Alright, but check out this interior. She got it predominantly Looking new compared to what it was. Door panels on, new lights in. Dash is clean. Truck is washed. Door handles on. You can actually see yourself in the side of it. Everybody's piling in. They're getting ready for this car show. Yeah, this is going to be a long video because them cars drive by for about 30 minutes. So, and I'm going to film it all. If you don't want to, you know, watch them all drive by, thank you for watching up to here, you know. Check that out. And actually, if you put the door panel on right, you don't need to put all them dang screws in it that he did. There's hooks. You got to get them in and go down. He didn't have any of them in, so the door panel wasn't sitting right. But check this out, guys. I still got them tough liner mats to put in here, so that's going to make it look good. That's it for this. Other than that little light, I'm going to do that real quick, and then we're going to post this one for sale, and we're going to pull the Jeep in, get that thing done. All right, we got the Jeep in here. You can see he broke the tab there. He's got it taped. Definitely can't ask what you want for it with the light taped in and then missing this back panel. So we're gonna go ahead, throw that on, get this thing ready. All right, it looks so much better. Man, that tape left residue all the way out to here. But I used some brake clean and it cleaned it right up. Good as new. All the lights work. Tail lights work, blinkers work, reverse light. Got a panel on here. Just cleans it up. I never did get that dang handle from the junkyard because I didn't have my Torx bits on me. But it looks better than it did. It's not just a metal, you know, metal panel with holes in it. So that's it for this. I'm gonna play with that shift linkage a little bit. It's tight underneath there. You saw me at the junkyard, so you know what it looks like. So yeah, when these cars start driving by, I'll pop you on, and if you guys want to check them out, check them out. If not, thank you for watching the video, man, and if you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Thank you to my new subscribers that just came up. You guys are awesome. Hit that notification button because now I got 2 vehicles for sale, and you're gonna want to see what I get for them and how much I make. I'll do a price rundown as soon as I sell one. And yeah, here comes some cars. If you guys are leaving now, peace, man. Thanks for watching. Gosh, guys, you don't know how good it feels to have such a clean garage again. We got the truck posted for 2,700 bucks. You never know. We paid 500 for it. So, and then we've got everybody out here. They're setting up their chairs. This whole street will be lined up with chairs and people sitting and watching. I'm lucky enough to have my house right on the street they come down. So, they'll be coming shortly, guys. You ready for some cars, Keen? Yeah? What you got there?
My bag.
Ooh, that's a sweet bag. Show the camera. Justice League. Sweet. Was that for candy?
Yeah.
I'm going to try to get them to do some burnouts. They don't usually do them because this is like a slow street. Sometimes though, they get rowdy and it's cool. So, it's gonna be fun, guys. Keen's ready. He wanted to hang out in the shade. I'm getting right up and close and personal. They get sideways, come over the curb. Nice. Look at them things sitting there. 500 bucks, 900 bucks. $1,400 into those. Can't even freaking believe it. So yeah, I don't know, I'd have to do a price breakdown with the junkyard, but 500 into that. We did the actuator, was actually $30. He gave me the little lights for free, so 530 bucks into that. And then the other 60, well, 30 out of the 60 was for this, so 930 for this one. Yeah, people are starting to come around, so it's about to get good. Boom! See?
If my whole family can do it, I'm gonna do it.
Do it, Hong. That's so scary.
Now you felt it though, dude. All right, here they come. This is pretty much a big deal.
We're so excited.
But yeah, my son and his friend are in this with my father-in-law. They're driving a '69 Bronco. So, it's pretty cool. Nice. It's a sweet ride. There's a nice one. Here we go. I had that same exact Mustang, cherry red. Heck, that could have even been mine. I bought it for $2,500. There we go. They're all throwing candy to the kids. But yeah, they just travel. They go all through our town. Small town feel, man. I'd rather live in a small town. Oh, there's a Jetta. That's what we're buying steel. There we go. Hopefully you guys are watching this on surround sound, as these things sound mean. Let's hear it. There we go. Yeah, buddy. There's the Miata. No pipe. What's up with that? Look at that thing. Look at the moms are all worried because the kids are running into the street trying to get candy.
Oh, that was nice. Look at this car.
Yeah, buddy. Here we go. Look at this thing. All metal. Raw metal. Oh my gosh. Hopefully you can see the colors on that thing. What's going on, guys? It's almost better to watch it than be in it. I've been in it a few times with some of my cars, and actually getting to sit and watch them is better. There we go. Yeah, some rum runners. First thing I do to a car is make it loud. You know? Loud pipes save lives. And they sound good. Yeah. Look at this thing. Elvis. There we go. Ooh, I can almost hear the bottom end of that motor chattering. Yes. I'm telling you what, guys, I've been thinking a lot about lately, and I start making a little more money and a couple more of my projects work out. I really think I'm getting into the classic car things for YouTube. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like VWs and imports and newer cars, but God, I would love to build one of those. Would love it. It's something, you know? I would love to build an old car. Here we go. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Here we go. There's a big motor. What is it, a 427 in those? Oh my God, yes. Look at the paint on that thing. Yeah. Here we go. The cops will arrest people that do burnouts in this line, so the fact that they're doing them for us is awesome. They are strictly warned before they start not to act like an idiot. Oh my God. But you ain't, there's Steele's friends. They're whipping candy at my son. Yeah! Let's get it. Try to coax someone into doing a burnout. There we go. Yeah! Let's see it. Yeah! Oh God, that thing sounds mean. Turn your speakers up, guys. I watch stuff like this on my surround sound because I watch YouTube on TV. I don't watch it on my phone. And I swear, dude, it sounds so real. Get the subwoofer going. Nice. Oh, listen to this thing. There we go. Look at this thing. Bumblebee. There we go. Luxury. There we go. I wouldn't mind building one of those. 73. Here they are. It's my father-in-law, my kids in the back, cans in there. You know they gotta stop. They just dumped the whole bag of candy. Nice. What's up, Ryan? See you on the vlog! That's my nephew, he's a vlogger. Ooh, listen to that thing. There we go, Bronco Club. Spin 'em! These are all the people that know us. They gotta stop and give us stuff. There we go, that's what I like. That's about a 73, isn't it? That's what I want. we go. Yeah, buddy. All right. Come on, guys. Start sharing the channel and liking the videos, man, so we can buy something like this for the channel. I guarantee you, I'll build one and it won't be like anyone else's. Because I want a wide body. Yeah! That dude just did a wheelie. I want a wide body and slam something like that. Modern customization on an old car. And I know a lot of people are probably going to hate that idea, but I like it. There we go. Slug gang. Select a drop. Talked a couple people into doing some burnouts. Look at the paint on that. Oh my god. Here we go. There's a Jeep. There's a nice one. So we'll have to see. Look at this thing. Ooh. Man, a lot of nice work here. You like it, Keen? Oh man, you're sitting good on candy. All right. Woo. Holy cow. Nova. Lifter tick, maybe? Look at these guys. I wouldn't mind building one of these either. It's because they're round like the modern cars, so you put a wide body on them and they look wicked. Look at that thing. God, look at that motor. Look at this guy. Whoa. You hear that thing? My Mustang had a 351 Cleveland in it. The first thing I did was cut the exhaust off, weld in dual Flowmaster 40 series. It sounded so freaking wicked. Look at this guy. Look at this thing. Yeah! Frickin' A-Team is here! Oh, dude. Oh, yep. Sounds good. We moved over to the corner. There was a break in cars. Nice. This guy. Nice. Look at these headlights, guys. Can you see them? sounded like a Cummins. God, they just sound good. Oh, there's that B-dub again. Yeah, there's my Tahoe. Mine looked like that, but it was burgundy. Just brings you back, man. Gosh. Beautiful. I like them in rough shape like that. Look at this guy. He lives around the corner from me. He actually had that body off 2 weeks ago. He actually rolled it. The whole cab and everything was dented in. So he took that body off and redid everything and put it back on. Just for this week. Tomorrow, all these cars will be at a car show. And we'll be down there. I'm going to film all those too. Yeah. There we go. I like it.
Make me get wet.
Actually, you know that house that burnt down around the corner?
Yeah.
That's what was in his driveway. It's ironic, but
It is so ironic. Trev's like, I was asking which house.
yeah.
Oh, honey, look, that could be
The one with the
us.
fire truck in the driveway.
That could be us.
Yeah, it could.
Yeah.
Or you.
You should totally paint it. You should see the inside.
Paint some cacti on the side.
Yeah, look at that.
All right, man. Party's over. Thanks for watching. If you actually made it this far, you guys are awesome. I really appreciate it. And Witchblade, since you guys showed so much love, you and your wife on the video, man, I'm gonna send you something. I tried messaging you. I tried putting it in the comments. It wouldn't show up. So if you're seeing this, you made it this far, email me. Links in the description of the last video and this video. Go back to the giveaway video. Pick what you want, except for the car wash stuff. It's too heavy and big. I'll send you something, man. I really appreciate it. That battery idea for the junkyard saved me. That saved me so much time, made my life easier. You and your wife both show love, man. You guys deserve it. I hope there's something in there that you want, man. Thank you. Subscribers like you guys, that's what I love. The community and people helping each other. So we're gonna pack it in. I'm gonna try to get this video uploaded and get another one up today. It'll be a little bit late, but you know, it is what it is. And to all my new subscribers, thank you. You guys are freaking awesome. I love you guys. Thank you for watching the videos. And again, if you made it this far, thank you. If you haven't subscribed, maybe consider subscribing to the channel. Like the video. That tells YouTube that we're good people. We're trying to spread. We're trying to grow. I want to do bigger and better things, and I'm learning and I'm getting better. So thank you for watching my channel, man. I really appreciate it. You guys have a wonderful day.